see all the magic in you and me. With hearts so bright, we dream so high, reaching for the stars in the shining sky. Welcome to the Little Stars Garden, where every heart can shine. Together we learn, together we play, spreading our light every day.
Hello, little stars. I'm Cliff, and welcome to Little Stars Garden Grooves. Today's party is all about being determined, staying strong, steady, and climbing towards your goals, one step at a time. When things feel big or tricky, determination is what helps us keep going. And you know what helps me keep climbing? A good laugh. Knock, knock. Goat. Goat your gear ready. It's time to reach some goals. All right, let's get moving with our first song, Determined to Climb.
Step by step I find my way, even if it takes all day. I won't give up, I've got a plan. I reach my goals the best I can. Some things grow a little slow, but I keep going row by row. Brick by brick, I build my dream with focus strong and steady steam. Sometimes things feel big and tough. The work is slow, the climb is rough. But I remember what I've got, a steady heart, a glowing spine.
Woo! That song made me feel strong enough to climb the tallest mountain. Now it's time for star spotting. Up in the night sky, there's a constellation called Capricornus. That's the fancy name for Capricorn. It's shaped like a sea goat, or a creature with the front of a goat and the tail of a fish. Pretty wild, huh? One of Capricorn's brightest stars is Deneb Algeta. Its name means the tail of the goat, and it shines steady in the sky. Capricorn energy is about being determined, patient, and climbing step by step until you reach the top. Just like a goat who never gives up on the mountain trail. So when you see Capricorn twinkling, remember, you can keep climbing towards your goals, no matter how tall they seem. Let's keep shining with our next song, My Shine, My Way.
Some days I'm quiet, some days I roar, some days I rush, some days I explore. No right, no wrong, just who I am. Like waves that ripple or stars that expand. My feelings, my spark, my way to be are clues that help make sense of me. When I learn what's true inside, I find the tools that help me rise. This is my way. My natural energy shows the way. To laugh, to lead, to learn, to grow, to feel my light and let it show. Not just today, but every day. I shine my shine. I shine my way.
That song reminded me that determination means shining in your own way. Now, let's test our problem-solving power with Riddle Me This. First riddle. The more of me you take away, the bigger I get. What am I? A hole. Every climber knows you have to watch out for those on the trail. Here's another. I start at the bottom and rise to the top. I'm climbed step by step without ever stopping. What am I? A mountain. Just like determination, it takes steady steps to reach the top. See, determination means you don't give up. You keep moving, keep trying, and keep climbing. And that's worth a cheer. Now, let's sing a song about patience and choices. Two important tools for staying determined. I can wait, I can choose.
When I feel like jumping in or grabbing first to try and win, I take a breath, I count to 3 and let the calm come over me. Sometimes my thoughts are fast and loud, like thunder rolling in a cloud, but I can slow them down, it's true, and choose what's best for me to do. I can't wait, I can choose, I can stop and not just zoom. I don't have to rush ahead, I check inside my heart instead. I can pause, I can breathe, take my time before I leave. The strongest move is what I use. I can't wait, I can choose. Not every moment needs a race. Sometimes stillness wins the pace. Capable, calm, and clear as cool. That's how I shine, that's my tool. I can't wait, I can choose. I can't stop and not just zoom. I don't have to rush ahead, I check inside my heart instead. I can pause, I can breathe, take my time before I leave. My strongest move is what I use. I can't wait, I can choose.
Great job, little stars. That song showed true determination. Now, let's see what the Star Wheel has for us today.
Plays the game of cat and mouse as long as he's Purity.
It landed on the rock climber reach. Let's climb like determined mountain goats. Stand strong with your feet apart. Now, reach your right arm high, then pull it down like you're grabbing a rock. Step one foot up as you do it. Good. Now switch. Reach your left arm up, pull, and step the other foot. Keep going. Reach, pull, step, reach, pull, step. Slow and steady. Feel your strength as you climb higher and higher. Every reach and step shows your determination. Almost to the top. Yes, you made it. That's determination in action, one strong step at a time. Now, let's finish with a shining favorite, the Little Stars Garden theme.
We come to grow, we come to see all the magic in you and me. With hearts so bright, we dream so high, reaching for the stars in the shining sky. Welcome to the Little Stars Garden, where every heart can shine. Together we learn, together we play, spreading our light every day. Welcome to the Little Stars Garden, where dreams begin to grow. So come along, sing our song, let your little star glow. Little Stars Garden, let's shine.
What a determined party we had today. Remember, being determined doesn't mean rushing. It means taking one step at a time, staying strong, and never giving up. Be sure to join us next Saturday for another magical episode of Little Stars Garden. There's always a new star to guide you forward. Climb steady and shine bright. See you next time, little stars.
We come to grow, we come to see all the magic in you and me. With hearts so bright, we dream so high, reaching for the stars in the shining sky. Welcome to the Little Stars Garden, where every heart can shine together.